Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Roku remote for YouTube TV. So first up, what you need to do is to power on your Roku player or streaming stick. Then, navigate to the YouTube TV channel on your Roku by heading to the home screen, then scrolling down to Apps and selecting YouTube TV. Next, navigate through YouTube TV, so use the directional pad to move through the menu options. Press the OK button to select or confirm an action. Use the back button to return to the previous screen, and then control playback with the play/pause button. Then, use the rewind fast forward buttons to rewind or fast forward through content. So these represent the back or forward or left or right on your remote. Next, you can access live TV and on-demand content. So for live TV, click the Live TV tab on the YouTube TV home screen to access live TV channels. And then click the Library tab to access on-demand content, including TV shows, movies, and original content. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.